Hey Trina, just wanted to send you this quick video showing you some things I found on your website when I'm building your proposal and such. Just wanted to go over this real quick. So you have trinateam.kw.com. I also we found this one the other day, trinateam.net, and then when I was doing my research, we found a third one that was the trinagroup.com. So those are three that you have currently. These two, if we want to make this one our main page, if that's the best thing that we need to do, then what I would do is maybe use these two to try to give this page some power, and maybe do some blogs or just adjust these pages. We can do that later or whatever, but we will try to link these pages back to the Trina team one, just to give it a little bit of juice, a little bit of power. But showing you what's going on, just real quick. So like I said, 1,500 words of content is what we need. Your current site has virtually no content on the homepage. If I look over in this program called Ahrefs, it's getting its juice from the Keller Williams site, but you can see you're being found for one organic keyword, one referring domain, and 2 backlinks. So you don't really have any strength yourself coming to this. It's all coming from Keller Williams, which is great to have, but it doesn't really do you a whole lot of good for the local market right now as it sits. So what we need to do is we need to get your content right. And if I just search like realtor Bentonville AR, this is a keyword that is searched about 150 times. It's a 20 on the keyword difficulty, so it's pretty difficult keyword. It's going to take us a little while to rank high for that specific one. But this is where your competition is for just someone searching for a realtor. And as you can see, there's a lot of ads, a lot of paid ones up here. Even Dave Ramsey's running an ad. You've got 3 Google screened sponsored ad at the top. Those are things that you can do in addition to what we're doing, but I just wanted to show you. Right now, Realtor.com is, they're hard to beat. I mean, they're just sites so big, but we will look at what it takes to beat those guys as well. But here's your real company competition. NWA Realty Group, and then Lindsay's next, Yelp is the next, Zillow, Homelight, and then you've got Macmillan Realty Group down here. So what I did was I looked at their sites. NWA Realty Group, it's kind of an outdated looking site. Again, doesn't have a whole lot of content on it. It is getting found right now for what they're doing, but they're totally beatable. And then all NWA Homes, just looked at it just to show you their site looks just a little bit more fresh. They've got a little bit more content. Of course, they've got all their listings on there. That's where a lot of their keywords are coming from, pushing them up. But again, they don't have enough content. We've got to fill up this homepage with a lot of text that's appropriate for the keywords you want to be found for. So that looks like your site right now. You're being found right now for your name. So if somebody searches your name, you're in the 32nd position for your own name. So we will also get that pushed up as well, so that gets found. But just looking at what your competitor's doing. So this is NWA Realty Group, 555 keywords. This is kind of their strength, their domain strength and their URL strength. So the domain is, the NWARealtyGroup.com, and their URL is this specific one right here. If they add anything on the back of that, like services or search or Bentonville AR or anything like that, then this is all going to change based on that URL strength that particular page has. So this is over their whole domain. They have 555 keywords, and you can see they're in the #1 position for anything with their name. But they've got NWA Real Estate. They've got NWA Real Estate with all together was one word. They've got NWA Realty Group. They're in 2nd position for houses for rent in Northwest Arkansas. So this is what we want to do. We want to look at where are the opportunities that we get the low KD and the high volume, and our opportunities to push you guys up in the ranking. Looking at just all NWA Group, all NWA Homes, McNaughton Real Estate, 712 keywords, 61 referring domains coming from 1,200 backlinks. So we want to try to get this more to 1-to-1 ratio. We want to beat the referring domains that they have and push you up in the ranking. Their organic keywords, You know, Northwest Arkansas Real Estate, they're in position 4. Of course, their URL is going to be number 1. You know, they're just kind of in the top 10 on a lot of these. So we want to be definitely in the top 10. We want to be up near the 1, 2, and 3 position as much as possible. And what we do is we just look at these backlinks. So if I go back here to NWA Realty Group and I dig into their referring domains, this is the second thing. Part of this is the backlinks. The third part is the citations. That's all your name, address, and phone number listed all over the internet. You know, luxuryrealestate.com, thinkingofliving.com. These are all either blog posts or directories. And what we will do is we will go in and match which ones that they have for you. And then we'll go add some more powerful ones so that you start passing them up in the strength, because all of this over here, well, that didn't work. All of this over here is where your strength is and where these do follow links are showing. So they don't have a lot. They've just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know, like less than 10. And some of them are a little bit more powerful than others. But what we do is we go in and find, you know, hey, we need one with a strength of 80. We need one with a strength of 79. And we just get more powerful ones that add up over time and push you up above them. So it's not super hard. It's a little technical on what we do, but that's in a gist of what we need to do. So again, I think we probably should use this if it's possible for us to modify it. And I can't really tell that until we get the login credentials to get inside there and take a look. But that's kind of just the how and the what specifically for your site on what we need to do. And I've got the proposal ready to go over with you, so we'll set up a time to go over and review that. So hope you enjoy the video and it gave you a little bit more into the window world of what we need to do specifically for your team. Thanks.